Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 30, 2022. 4-star Sudoku. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come here, one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 4. It will come here, one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 8. 5th row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come here, another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 9. Second row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come here, another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 2, 9. Seventh row, we have 2, 1, 9. So 2, 1, 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth grade, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Eighth row, ninth row, we have 1. Column G also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column J, ninth row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, we have 1, 2, 3. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5. Third row and fourth row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any other 2 cells. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Column B, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 9. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 8. Fifth row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then in column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, I have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.